In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Google gift card. If you've heard people say Google gift card, they almost always mean a Google Play gift card, which you can use to pay for apps, games, movies, books, and subscriptions on Google Play. The good news is, getting one is simple, and you can choose the method that works best for where you live. Let's start with buying a physical card in a store, which is the most common option. Head to a nearby retailer that sells gift cards. Convenience stores, supermarkets, electronic shops, and large retail chains often carry them. Once you're there, check the gift card rack or ask the cashier where the Google Play cards are. Pick the amount that fits your budget. Typical denominations include P50, P100, P500, or P1000, though this can vary by country. Take the card to the checkout and pay. Some stores activate a plastic card, while others print a receipt with your unique code. Keep that card or receipt safe, because the code is what you'll use to add the balance to your Google Play account. If you can, hold on to your purchase receipt until you've redeemed the code successfully, just in case you need proof of purchase. If you prefer not to go to a store, you can buy a digital code online and get it almost instantly. Look for trusted sellers that are authorized to offer Google Play gift cards in your region. Well-known options may include PayPal Digital Gifts, Amazon in certain countries, and reputable gift card websites. Choose the amount you want, pay with your preferred method, typically a card or PayPal, and then watch for an email containing your code. Delivery is usually fast, but check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. Once the code arrives, you can redeem it on Google Play and use the balance immediately. A couple of important tips to keep you safe. Never share your gift card code with anyone, even if they claim to be support staff or a friend in an emergency. Scammers often ask for payment in gift cards, so be cautious. Only buy from trusted stores or well-known online sellers to avoid invalid or region-locked codes. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. That's it. You can choose a physical card from a store or a digital code online, pick your amount, pay, and redeem. Simple, secure, and ready to use on Google Play.